Stylish dresses, boutique fashion, and huge discounts. That's what the online store Elle Toronto promises. But is this fashion store actually legit or just another risky online store? So Elle Toronto markets itself as a fashion boutique, offering trendy clothing at discounted prices, often presenting itself as a local brand or boutique style shop. These type of stores usually promote limited time sales or closing down discounts to attract quick purchases. At first glance, the site looks convincing. It has professional product photos, large discounts on fashionable items, and stories about being a small or local boutique. This style of marketing is common among online clothing stores. However, there are several warning signs reported by buyers. The related L clothing store has extremely poor reviews, around 1.1 out of 5 on Trustpilot, and many customers say the clothes they received were cheap, poorly made, or nothing like the photos. Some reviews also claim long shipping times and returns being sent to China, despite the store appearing to be based locally. One reviewer said the items were nothing like advertised and made from thin, low quality material. So is El Toronto a legit fashion store? Based on customer reviews and complaints, it appears high risk and potentially a dropshipping or misleading boutique store. The bottom line, El Toronto may deliver products, but many reports suggest poor quality items and difficult refunds, so shoppers should proceed carefully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.